have you visited Dr. Jackson before, or is this your first visit? Or you may sometimes hear, have you been seen by us before?
If your answer is no, you would say,
No, I haven't. This is my first visit to your office. Or you can answer, No, I haven't. It'll be my first time seeing Dr. Jackson.
if your answer is yes, you would say,
Yes, I have. I've visited Dr. Jackson before.
Alright, can you come in tomorrow at 1 p.m.? Or, can you come in on Saturday at 1 p.m.?
if you cannot visit the office at a specific date and time, you can say,
I'm sorry, but 1 p.m. isn't good for me. I'm sorry, but 1 p.m. doesn't suit me. I'm sorry, but 1 p.m. wouldn't suit my time. And you can also answer, I'm sorry, but 1 p.m. wouldn't work for me. Do you have anything in the morning? Do you have a free slot on? At? Do you have any free slots this afternoon? Or you can ask the receptionist, do you have any openings on? At?
No, unfortunately, we don't have any openings at that time or at that date. How about Thursday at 9 a.m.?
Oh, I can't. Or, oh, I won't make it to your office by 9 a.m., but 9:30 works for me.
Alright, 9:30 sounds good. So you have an appointment to see Dr. Jackson at 9:30 a.m. on Thursday. Would you like a reminder call?
No, that's fine. I will keep the date and time in mind.
Okay, see you then, bye.
when requesting a sooner appointment with a receptionist, you can use the following phrases.
Number 1. Is there any chance I could get an earlier appointment? Number 2. I was wondering if there are any earlier slots available. Number 3. I'm really hoping to get in sooner. Is there any availability? Number 4. I understand that the schedule may be full, but is there any possibility of squeezing me in earlier? I'm experiencing worsening symptoms and would greatly appreciate an earlier appointment if possible. And number 6. If there are any cancellations or openings, I would be grateful if you could fit me in sooner.